Sorry. So my countdown albums finally arrived. Oh my god, there's a little ant. They finally arrived after 4 months. Wow, that was long. Okay, I got Suho's and Sehun's version, and I did pre-order it, and I actually pre-ordered it like a month before. The day they announced the versions, I bought them. So I got 2 postcards. Just show you the one that's not that bad. I'm sorry for the reflection, but it's night, so I have like a light shining over, and I'm too excited to like do something to not reflect, so I'm sorry. So yeah, it's really pretty, really pretty. I'm just kind of sad that the albums themselves, the postcards were in between the albums, so it's a little bent, but that's okay. But the other one kind of got damaged because it got stuck on the sticky part of Sehun's one. So okay, I got Suho, which is my bias, and I got Sehun, which is my first bias record. So I'll open Sehun's first because I'm more excited about Suho's. It comes in a little slip, like plastic slip. I'll keep them. I always ask myself if people keep them, but I do. Oh my god, there's the sticker. Store, why? Okay, so there's a little sticker on the actual plastic slip with the track list, and here as well, saying what version it is, and the information's about the album. So just check it out. Oh, you can see that. I'm sorry. Everything is all over the place. Okay. The front. Oh, I don't know if you can see. Oh, you can. Oh, there we go. It's in the actual plastic slip, so it's really cool. The back. Then you have the sides. This is. Oh, can you see that? And yeah, this, hope you can see them right because of the lighting. Okay, you have, yeah, just the letters and all that. Open the CD first. Oh, so much better. I'm so sorry, but I always have a problem taking them out because of the foam. For some reason it always gets damaged. There's nothing, it's just a CD, just a jewel case for the CD. Okay, I'll take the photo card out. I know it's last. Oops. Just take it out. Yeah, the photo card is here. Okay. In this whole process of like 4 months waiting for this, I actually kept thinking about like that I chose Sehun and not the DVD or the XOL version. The XOL version has my favorite cover. It's so pretty, and I was kind of sad, but then I thought, I really like Sehun, so I shouldn't be like sad about it. Maybe I'll buy it later. And then there was a problem with courier and all that. I didn't know if it was coming and all that, so I asked them to reship it because it was taking so long. And the website, in the place I bought it from, the website says a month, but I always expected 2 months because of where I live. And oh my god. Oh god. And as you can see, it's really loud because I live in a busy street. I live in a busy city. It's just that the place I'm from, Brazil, it's kind of difficult sometimes with shipping things overseas if they're from Asia or America. Europe is okay, and I've never tried Africa, so or Australia and New Zealand. I've never tried them, so I really like the way they did the with the letters. It really bugs me because I like them to be straight, and yeah. And if I show this to my project teacher. By the way, I study design in college. He would probably be so mad at this. I hope you saw it. Okay, so I'll just show you and then I'll continue the story. Just little ads. I don't actually know. I could read it, but I'm not in the mood for that, so I'm so sorry. And I got Trinity. Oh my god. Show the back first. Oh, it looks so pretty. But I've probably stated this before, but I don't like Chanity's photo cards where it's an actual photo shoot. I like the ones where he uses snow filters and all that, and he's not using it in this, so it's kind of sad, but he still looks gorgeous. Okay, so so in the story, what part was I on? Oh yeah, I was kind of afraid of it not coming, and so I asked them to reship it, and they told me that they couldn't because they didn't have some items in the list. Oh, by the way, it's the same like thing. It's just Suho's version. Oh, it looks so gorgeous. So I thought, oh, okay, so then they would just like refund me in store credits. Of course, I wouldn't mind that. Store credits. Oh, so gorgeous. And I would just buy EXO Countdown again, because I thought it was only the posters. The thing is, it was not only the posters. It actually the CDs were not available anymore. None of them. I don't know if none of them, but most of them either way. So I was kind of bummed out by that. But they asked me to wait a bit more for me to actually see if I received it or not. And by the way, the whole conversation, like the whole email sending and all that, it took a month. I actually waited like 3 months and it took a month, and then they got here, so I'm happy. At least that. Oh, let me take out the okay. Okay, end of story. Oh my god. Countdown is like my favorite EXO album. And I'm not even saying like, oh, the Japanese songs are so good, but I prefer this other Korean album. No, like my Countdown is my cup of tea. I really like the songs. I think there's a mess going on. Sorry. But I really love the songs. Lovin You Mo is my favorite one. I still don't know how to pronounce that like perfectly. Oh wow. That's a powerful shot, baby. Ooh. I was so excited for this. so happy. I should be doing work. Oh my god, what am I doing in my life? Hear my favorite song. Oh, today that I have my ugly fingernail. Ugh. It broke today. How sad is that? There we go. I showed it really quickly, I'm so sorry, but I do have I don't know how much storage I have left, so same thing. Kind of bummed out that it doesn't have their signature in the back, but that's okay. Ta-da! Kai. Ooh, I've never gotten Kai. Oh. Wow, he's so pretty though. I've never gotten Kai before, so that's good. That was luck. Okay, so overall review, I don't know. I like this album. I like this jewel case. I don't know, it's not that I like jewel cases that much. It's mostly because I have such a hard time with the little foam things that they put their CDs to hold their CDs in the album packagings. It's really difficult for me to get it out, and when I do, I break the foam. Not break the foam, but like it sticks itself. It happened in a video, so oh well. It's the same. Ugh. I'm really happy with the CD, so I'll continue doing my thing here. See you guys later. Bye. Bye. Ah.